I wanted to give a quick update on how things are going. As you can see, the Humvee is almost getting ready for paint. I got the new powder coated mounts installed with the body mounts. As you can see here, I got the seats covers off. Now what I'm going to have to do is to take the frames off. As you can see, there's some rust. Those are going to be sandblasted and powder coated so that this never happens again. And as we go around this side, we've already got the primer on, and I've started masking off so that we can do a good amount of paint here. Still have to mask off the wheel. This is where the aircon comes later on. And as we go around, as you can see, I've already masked off everything around the engine compartment. And so yeah, I think we're getting awfully close. What I'm going to have to do now is get this trailer out. That's our blasting system, and get our inflatable painting booth up here, right here, and hopefully we get our painting done really soon. I'm hoping within a week or so I'm done with painting, and then it'll be all about putting it all back together. And then I got this guy and two more over here that are waiting, and I got a couple customers that are lining up for these guys, so we're gonna get busy. And wanted to quickly share with you, all of this is all of the powder coated parts that are ready to go. On top, more powder coated parts ready to go. And as you can see here, I've got the doghouse all restored, ready to go. Here are the rock sliders, also powder coated, ready to go, just waiting to get on. And then what's left of the exhaust system, I'm gonna straight pipe it, so all of that won't be necessary anymore. And here we have an entire set coming from an 1165 2010. I'm kind of keeping them around. You never know when you're gonna need a good set of hubs and differential, but who knows, I may just sell that off, we'll see. So there's your update. It's a little messy in here these days. I got a lot of stuff going on. Here are all of the seat bases that are ready for powder, well, blasting and powder. I already got a couple nice windows. These are ready to go, all powder coated frame, 3/8 inch glass. So these guys are nice and ready. I got two more to go, and then we have all of our doors here. For this next build, I'm going to use these four doors here. They are, as you can see, light armor, but they're in good shape. It's going to take a little bit of work to get them to look perfect, but yeah, I'm excited. That's my next activity, is to get these guys ready for installation and fully restored. So there you go. That's a quick update, and yeah, I'll know how it goes, but really excited to share this with you. Things are moving in the right direction. All right, thanks a lot.